Fintech is the need of the future, so if you are running your future on the technology of the past, you will lose. AAIC is the perfect partner to scale your fintech business. Let us take care of your technology so you can focus on the finance. Instead of talking about what we can do, let's talk about what we have done in the past for the fintech industry. Here are the success stories of how we help our partners make an actual business impact. We helped one of the largest banks in India to deploy and run distributed applications. Our solution based on containerization is helping them gain scalability with enhanced security. Security and data privacy laws are also a top priority for our partners. Just recently, we worked with one of the top private banks in Eastern Europe. We helped them to ensure compliance with local and international laws such as GDPR. We achieved this by placing the data stores in the right availability zones and aligning the read/write access accordingly. This means that, in addition to benefiting from all of the measures that AWS already takes to maintain service security, AAIC helps customers deploy AWS services aligned with GDPR compliance plans. Amazon Guard Duty, Amazon Macy, Amazon Inspector, and AWS Config rules were deployed to keep applications in conformity with best security practices. We help our partners in the creation of infrastructure as a code to help startups automate infrastructure provisioning, allowing them to develop, automatically deploy and scale with less risk and low cost. With this deep understanding of the industry, we have been able to build our own accelerator DevOps in a box that allows us to help you deploy 40% faster. Along with this, continuous improvement of the application is important, so we have helped our partners create automated workflows for new features and resolve bugs as well. Most of the organizations that we work with have some footprint in the cloud. As they grow, the typical challenge they face is scalability with adherence to optimize operational cost. We have implemented ELB with ASG for multiple clients. Auto-scaling groups that receive traffic only from the application load balancer. It deploys resources such as load balancer, launch configuration, auto-scaling group, target group, and security group to ensure high availability and low cost. Another common challenge among fintech organizations is an inefficient use of resources. AAIC Cloud Architects will look at your AWS organization and configurations to audit current billing and come up with cost optimization proposals. Most of our customer engagements have multiple accounts, and we work with them to set up the right AWS organization with billing as a separate entity using SSO. AWS Single Sign-On simplifies managing SSO access to AWS accounts and business applications. You can control SSO access and user permissions across all your AWS accounts and AWS organizations. For years, our founders have been tackling the technology challenges faced by financial institutions. From creating new systems from scratch to improving the current systems to make them future-ready. Let's get started with a no-obligation audit to find the vulnerabilities and improvements to make your system ready for tomorrow.